Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV in a simple way, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and go to the App Store or Channel Store depending on your TV's operating system. Step 2. Search for Peacock in the App Store using the search bar or voice search feature. Step 3. Select the Peacock app from the search results and download it to your smart TV. Step 4. Once the download is complete, open the Peacock app from your installed apps menu. Step 5. Select Sign In from the welcome screen and make note of the activation code that appears on your TV. Step 6. On a separate device such as a phone or computer, open a web browser and navigate to peacocktv.com. TV Activate. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your smart TV and sign in with your Peacock account email and password. Step 8. After successful authentication, your smart TV will automatically refresh and display your linked Peacock account. You can now start streaming your favorite content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.